Welcome to another CyberLab breakdown. Today we're diving into the chaos of a distributed denial-of-service attack and using Wireshark to catch it in action. Let's decode the flood, filter the flags, and expose the signs of a DDoS.
Start by launching Wireshark and capturing traffic on your active interface. Here, it's EMP20. Apply this filter to isolate SYN packets. Use Wireshark to capture packets and filter for packets with the SYN flag set. From the Favorites bar, select Wireshark. Under Capture, select EMP20. From the menu, select the blue fin to begin the capture. In the Apply a Display filter field, type and press Enter to filter the Wireshark display to show packets with only the SYN flag. Notice that there is a flood of SYN packets being sent to 198.28.1.1 www.corp.net.xyz. You'll see a flood of SYN packets targeting 198.28.1.1. That's www.corp.net.xyz. But here's the twist. The source addresses are different. That's your first clue. This isn't just a DOS. It's distributed. Now let's check how the server responds. Update your filter. In the Apply a Display filter field, change the ending of the tcp.flags.ack portion from a 0 to a 1, and press Enter to filter the Wireshark display to only those packets with both the SYN flag and ACK flag. You should notice that there are far fewer SYN-ACK packets than SYN packets. The server is so busy that it can't respond to all of the packets. Select the red square to stop the capture. Notice how few SYN-ACK packets appear. The server's overwhelmed. It can't reply to every request. That's classic DDoS behavior. Multiple sources, one target, and a server gasping for air. Let's finish the handshake. Or not. Change your filter to, you'll see ACK packets, but none are going to. That's the final clue. The attackers never complete the handshake. They leave the server hanging with half-open connections, draining its resources. So what's the key sign of a DDoS attack? Multiple source IPs flooding one destination. That's what separates it from a regular DOS. It's distributed, relentless, and harder to block.
Today we used Wireshark for packet capture, TCP flag filters to isolate SYN, SYN-ACK, and ACK, logical analysis to confirm DDoS behavior. If you're building your cyber defense toolkit, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow defenders. Let's keep decoding attacks and empowering learners, one packet at a time.